Hi everybody. So here we are in the midst of lockdown in Fremont, California. I'm standing in the balcony. I have a beautiful view. I can show you. So we live in the middle of Fremont City, and it has been almost 2 months of lockdown. We are locked up in our house. We rarely go out, just go for a walk. Kids are also at home. And initially, when the lockdown started, when my office asked me to work from home, and my husband's office also asked him to work from home, it was quite scary because we are in a different country, different continent completely away from home, and this kind of a scenario is new for to everybody. Is even in India, any part of the world, it is new, but for us, because the country is new, we hardly have any family over here. We have very few friends who stay quite far from here, but in a new country, getting into this kind of a situation was very scary. I was very scared because I felt that what if there is a law and order problem, uh, where how we will come out of this. But when the and we had there are a lot of websites, number of apps who were telling, okay, every day. Initially there were almost 100 cases in my county. A county is like 4 5 cities or 10 cities together becomes a county. So initially there were 100 cases, and then slowly it went down to every day. Suddenly there used to be a rise of 50 cases, 60 cases, and then 100 cases. So it was very scary, and I started tracking it every day. So the tracking also adds to anxiety. And what you do, you have a mobile in your hand, and you are hearing so many things outside, so you end up tracking it. In my county, the cases went from 200 to 500 to 1000, 1500. Now it is 2000. So the initial emotion was fear, and I was even scared to go outside. But then slowly we understood that, okay, I mean, if we at all, if somebody gets affected by COVID-19, they have to bear it. And the other thing is that it has been 2 months and we are safe at home, so that also gave us some confidence. And uh, also we stay in California. Our governor is really good, Governor Gavin Newsom, who he had been very quick in responding. He was one of the few governors who brought lockdown in the whole of USA. I mean, he was one of the first governors, and he was very quick in responding. He actually closed all the shops and malls, and uh, so very soon the things were in control. Initially, local people were not very serious about it, but slowly they also understood the seriousness of this disease. Um, Now, even the hospital admissions have been low. ICU admissions has been, the rate has been low, and the deaths have also fallen down. Slowly, government has started reopening it. Um, we don't know how it will be, but I think based upon the uh, result, and based upon seeing the hospital admissions and the number of cases, the government will take its own decisions. There are a lot of challenges because people have lost jobs, uh, because shops have closed, people have stopped going out. Because of that, it's quite it's not an easy situation, because everybody doesn't have luxury to sit at home and work from home. And government cannot keep people, uh, government cannot shut down things completely. It's not an a very easy environment. So slowly they have started opening the shops, and most basically curbsides. Like there are some grocery shops. Grocery shops are always open. Costco is open because they are essential services. But say clothes, apparel, and all, they are allowing curbside pickup as of now. Nails salon and saloons, they are still to open, because Governor Newsom informed that it was one of the first places where the coronavirus actually started getting it from salon. So now slowly things are opening, and there was one news yesterday where the Tesla chief, is Tesla chief is he wants the manufacturing plant to go open because he because his cars are not getting manufactured, they are getting slowed, the manufacturing is getting slowed. So he decided to sue the city mayor and the city of Fremont. But now the city of Fremont complied, and they are saying that they will allow the manufacturing plant to open. In my opinion, some manufacturing plants should be allowed to open because we cannot keep it shut for forever. So based depending upon depending upon the employees, and also uh, this manufacturing plant can be opened with say 30% attendance or allowing in shift and all. So that would be a win-win situation, because we cannot keep things closed forever. It will affect the people, it will affect the economy to a great extent. There are debates, but I hope uh, things come out in everybody's favor. Regarding schools and all, my kid is going doing the online classes. It's not been easy. She most of the time, the kids have a tendency when they are at home, they think it's a summer vacation, so they do the class, but there is a screen fixation which we have to, as a parent, we have to monitor. Me and my husband both are working from homes, and we have two kids, one infant and one 11-year-old. So it's not an easy thing to manage, but we have been able to pull off for 2 months, so that makes us happy because we have been able to pull off. And this is the best solution, this is the new normal. And we have to adapt to it. Staying at home definitely sometimes depresses us, but what we can do, this is something once in a century, and we have to live with it. I hope everybody is very serious about it, and staying at home, even if we have to go out, go with a mask, gloves, and try to maintain social distance. I'll try to make new more videos based upon how we are feeling here. As of now, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.